Hi guys, welcome to Kanak Infosystems YouTube channel. My name is Pratyush and today I will be explaining you how to call Python default action using JS. Have you ever faced problem when you want to open a default view using JS? So today I will be resolving all those issues and problems for you. For calling default Python action using JS, we generally use doAction function. So let me show you how it works. Here I have created a navbar menu component and I have attached this particular navbar menu component in this particular area. If you want to know more about this particular how to add this new component in this particular area, then you can watch our previous videos on this topic. So in this particular component I have created a on click function which triggers when we click on this particular icon. So when we click on this particular icon, this particular function calls, and I am using this particular way of calling the doAction function. So in doAction function we have to pass a default action default. So this action could be any type of action. It could be a client action or report action or any type of action we want to pass. So I have added the sale action, which is when we click on this particular sale menu and this particular view opens. So according to this, when I click on this particular icon, it needs to open that particular view. So I am clicking on this particular icon and this opens this particular view. We can also pass some additional context if we want to. The additional context could be anything like default value of some field or anything. If you want to know more about these actions like client action, report action, just comment below and I will create a new video on this topic. This particular module is updated on the GitHub public repository. Link will be given in the description. You can look into it if you want to. Thank you for watching this video. We'll keep working on bringing these useful videos, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kanak Infosystems YouTube channel. Thank you.